This video will about the power of the resonance. So I'm using bifilar pancake coils, primary, secondary. This is the outgoing choke, so going to the ground. This is 100 watt Philips I'm not sure if you can see. So this is 100 watt incandescent bulb, infrared. So let's connect. Before connecting, I wanna tell that I'm using this small. This is a very small China inverter, but this is not 220 watts. This is not even sine wave. This is about max. This is 100 watts maximum. So if I'm putting this bulb, the inverter cannot hold the watt and going to the protection mode. But now let's turn on the system. So the bulb is lighting full brightness and is getting very hot. This is 3.7 amps by 10.5 volts. So you can calculate how much I'm using. So I'm using two frequencies, 86 and 400 for modulating. This system is collaborating with ambient energy. So this is the ground. This is the ground, going to the ground, but the ground is not real ground. This is only iron plate, big iron plate outside. I don't have access to real ground. But if you want to have a better, greater result, you must use a real ground. See, this is going to the ground. Without ground is also working, but with the ground is better. But I'm using common ground. So this is the same setup I have demonstrated with the LEDs. You can go to my Patreon page to see what about is this setup? There is already a video about this setup, but now I'm using a high voltage. I'm putting high voltage to the primary, so to increase the efficiency. So high voltage to increase the efficiency. Thank you for watching.